What's up, guys? Today a little video. I looked at the code for the dual 12-inch InPhase box that you couldn't adjust the sub travel. So if we press escape and go to vehicle config, and you can see that's what I have, the dual 12s InPhase box. So if we click tuning and we scroll down to subwoofer, and I had some people asking me if this subwoofer mod works in other modded vehicles, and it does. It just depends if the slot is open, and I'm going to look into the other parts of this code for the subwoofer to see, how I can implement it into other mods that don't work. For example, this truck here, it's from the DFA pack. It's not allowing me to switch to the big subwoofer, which brought me to using the 12-inch subs. But the problem with the 12-inch subs over here under subwoofer, the travel was stuck at 20 and so was the sub volume. So as I looked at the code, I found the problem and I corrected it. So you're gonna have to email me. You can look and find my email address on my YouTube channel, and I can send you the updated version of this. As you can see here now, you can adjust the sub travel and volume here. There is a new controller, as I'll briefly take a look at here. You're gonna need the speaker 3D mod, because I had other people ask me if the subwoofers and the sound like the sound is coming out of the game. And without the speaker 3D, no, it does not. But on the same hand, I'm getting a Lua error out of the speaker 3D, so it doesn't work for me. Apparently it's broke. And then if you start the new controller up, this one is just freaking absurd. With no tutorials and a couple of screenshots, it's bullshit. Is just kind of stupid to me, so I really don't see any necessity in it. Going back into the game now, we can watch the 12s actually shake the shit out of the truck.
Bronco.
So you can already see they're starting to jump. And we'll just dime it. So you can clearly see now this is working properly.